Think you know how banks work? Think again. For the next 5 minutes, I'm going to expose the biggest secrets your bank is hiding from you. Banks make billions every year, and a lot comes directly from your pocket through tricks and traps you don't even know exist. What if I told you that by the end of this video, you could save hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars a year? It sounds crazy, but it's true. I've spent time digging through all the fine print and talking to financial experts to bring you the craziest bank secrets ever. We're breaking down hidden fees that drain your account while you sleep to so-called protection that costs you a fortune. I'm giving you the playbook to beat banks at their own game. This isn't boring advice. This is a challenge to take back control of your money. I'm showing you exactly what to look for and how to fight back. This is information they do not want you to have. And because you're the best subscribers, I'm not giving you 5 secrets. I'm giving you 7. And the last one is a super secret bonus tip that could change your financial life forever. You have to watch until the end for that one. If you want to stop letting banks get rich off you, do not click away. Let's get into it. First up, the sneakiest trick: hidden fees. You think you know what you're paying, right? Your monthly maintenance fee, maybe an ATM fee here and there. Wrong. I went through standard bank terms, over 50 pages. Buried in there are fees for everything. Paper statement fees, account inactivity fees, card replacement fees, fee for closing your account too soon. It's a minefield designed to slowly bleed your account dry. $10 monthly is $120 yearly. Across multiple accounts for years, we're talking hundreds gone. Money you could have used for something you actually want. Banks rely on you not reading the fine print. They make it long and boring on purpose. They're betting on you being too busy to notice them taking your cash. Next trap: minimum balance requirements. The bank says keep $1,500. It's free. But drop below that number, even for one day, bam! They hit you with $12 to $15 or more. They're using your own money as leverage against you. They take your $1,500, lend it at 7%, and give you a pat on the back with minimal interest. It's designed so the house always wins. Escape this by finding banks that don't play these games. Many online banks and credit unions offer truly free checking with no minimums or monthly fees. Another strategy: set up direct deposit. Big banks often waive minimum requirements with automatic paycheck deposits. 5-minute setup could save over $100 yearly. It's a no-brainer. This next one makes me so angry. They call it overdraft protection, making it sound helpful. They are not. This is one of their biggest moneymakers. Here's how it works. You buy a $5 coffee but only have $3 in your account. Instead of declining the transaction, the bank protects you by covering the $2 difference. How nice of them, right? Wrong. For that favor, they hit you with a massive $35 overdraft fee. You just paid $37 for a $5 coffee. It gets worse. Some banks charge that fee for every transaction while negative. Coffee, $2 snack, $3 bus ticket. You've only overspent by $7, but get hit with 3 $35 fees, over $100. They can manipulate transaction order, processing biggest first to trigger more fees. It's predatory, designed to trap people already struggling. So what's the alternative? First, opt out of overdraft protection for debit transactions. The law requires banks to get your permission for this service. If you opt out, your card just gets declined without funds. Might be embarrassing for a second, but way better than paying $35. Better alternative: link checking to savings for exact amount transfers, usually for much smaller fee or sometimes free. It's real protection, not a fee trap. Let's be honest. Your savings account with your big bank is terrible. Go check your interest rate right now. I'll wait. See that? Probably 0.01%. With $10,000 in savings, you earn $1 measly in interest per year. Not even enough for a candy bar. You're letting the bank use your money for free while inflation eats away at its value. Why are rates so low? Because they can be. Big banks have massive overhead, buildings, tellers, security, you name it. They count on your loyalty and laziness to make fortune off your savings. They take your $10,000, lend it at 7%, give you $1 back. It's one of the biggest, most accepted rip-offs in finance. But here's the secret: high-yield savings accounts. These are offered by online-only banks. Without physical branch overhead, they pass savings to you as much higher interest rates. We're not talking 0.01. Many offer over 4 or 5%. On $10,000, that's $400 to $500 yearly instead of $1. Same FDIC-insured account, just with a bank that pays you. Stop letting your money sleep and put it to work. Everyone loves credit card rewards. Cashback, miles, points. Feels like you're hacking the system, getting free money. But what if these rewards are carefully designed traps to make you spend more? Credit card companies have armies of psychologists and data scientists who know exactly how to trigger your brain's reward centers. 2% cashback makes you feel like you're getting a discount, so you buy things you wouldn't have otherwise. Are you earning $10 if you spent $500 on things you didn't need? No, you're $490 in the hole. This is especially dangerous with big annual fee cards. They bait you into higher spending lifestyles with amazing perks and high reward rates. If you don't pay full balance monthly, 20% interest wipes out rewards and more. Golden rule: only use credit cards for purchases you'd make with cash anyway. Always pay full balance monthly or rewards aren't for you. This secret is so simple, yet almost nobody knows about it. Did you know your bank might offer free financial advice? I'm not kidding. Many big banks have financial advisors offering complimentary sessions. They help with budgeting, retirement planning, saving for big purchases, investing, professional advice that costs hundreds elsewhere. It's customer retention strategy. They want deeper relationships, so you'll bring more financial business like mortgages and investments. Be smart. They'll recommend bank products, but the planning session itself is valuable. Get a professional to review your entire financial situation and help build a real actionable plan. It's a massive underutilized resource. Just call or visit and ask, do you offer complimentary financial advisor sessions? Worst they can say is no. But if yes, you unlocked expert advice for free. You made it to the end. Here's the most powerful secret of all. This is the one banks really don't want you to know. Monthly maintenance, overdraft, late payment fees are not set in stone. You can often get them waived just by asking. That's it. No complicated tricks. Just pick up the phone and ask politely. Customer retention is huge. Costs way more to get new customers. A one-time $35 waiver is cheap for them. Service reps often can waive fees with a button click. Here's exactly what you do. Call the number on your card back. Be polite and calm. Don't yell. Hi, I noticed a $35 overdraft fee. I've been a customer for X years. It was an honest mistake. Would you grant a one-time courtesy waiver? More often than not, they'll say yes. Might not work every time, but if you don't ask, answer is always no. I challenge you to try this next time you get a fee. You'll be shocked how often it works. And there you have it. 7 shocking secrets your bank hoped you'd never find out. You now have knowledge to fight back and keep more of your money. Banks had the upper hand too long, but now the ball's in your court. Don't just watch and forget. I challenge you to take action. This week, go through your statements and find at least one fee we discussed. Come back and share what you found in the comments below. Sharing your story helps everyone learn and save more money. Hit subscribe and ring the bell for more money-saving secrets. Thanks for watching to the end. We have insane money-saving challenges planned you won't want to miss. See you in the next video.